Hello guys, my name is Mosam. In this video, we're going to continue from a previous video of conditions in Python. So in this video, we're going to focus on logical operators and nesting conditions in Python. Sometimes you need to check multiple conditions at once. That's where logical operators come in. The and, or, and not. For example, if you want to check if someone age is able to drive a car, you also need to check if someone has a license. So let's have an example. If age, let's give it 20, and have this logical operation statement. So if age you want to check is greater than or equal to 18 and has license, print so let's run our program. You can drive. The age is 20 and he has a license. So if age is greater than 18, that's age 20, and has a license is true, you can drive. What if he doesn't have a license? But if the age is 20, so nothing has been printed because we don't have an else statement here. So let's put an else statement. Let's run our program again. So you see, you need to meet all requirements. So if you want to drive, you need to have age greater than 18 or equal to 18, and you also need to have a license. We can also try the oral logical operation. So now it says if is weekend, we have this logical statement: is weekend true, is holiday true. So if it's weekend, you say time to relax. If it's holiday, say time to relax. So now we are checking if it's weekend is true or a holiday is true. So if it's weekend or it's holiday, then print time to relax. Or if it isn't holiday or if it's not weekend, then let's go to school, either go to work elsewhere. So let's run a program. Time to relax. Yeah, now this is time to relax because it's a holiday or it's a weekend. Let's say that some of this is false. If one of this is false, it's still saying time to relax because we're saying if it's a holiday or it's a weekend, that means one of them, if one of the conditions is true, then we're going to print the statement. Either one is false, we don't care, but if all of them are false, that's when we're going to print the else statement. Like here, let's go to school because it's not a holiday, it's not a weekend. Let's see the not logical operation. Clear the screen. The not logical operator. If not is learning, print go outside. Let's run our program. Go outside because it's not learning. Let's see if it's true. Windows. Wow, this is not fine. Let's now talk about the nested if statements. So now we have this program which we want to see the nested if statements. So we have this has erases input have erases. Maybe should be like a question. Do you? So we have this program which asks has erases. Do you have erases? We store this in a variable has erases. If you have erases and the input is y, then it will allow you to enter your age. If age is greater than or equal to 18, then you print. So this if statement which is inside another if statement, you call it a nested if statement. Let me put a comment here. So it prints you can drive. Else, if you don't have a license or your age is under 18, then you must have a license or above 18 to drive. Let's run our program. Do you have a license? Then put Y, yes, enter your age, 18. So now it has given us an error. That's just because we need to cast this into an integer. So let's cast it. I've not removed this part of an error so that you should see that we also find errors when coding in Python. So let's run our program again. Do you have a license? Yes. Enter your age, 18. So now it's saying you can drive. Let's say that you don't have a license. When you say you must have a license and age and 18 or above to drive. So guys, thank you for being with me in this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.